Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my daily lock care routine. Some of you have been asking me, how do I keep my locks healthy and thick, especially with color treated locks? And today I'm going to share my simple hair care routine, and trust me, it is very simple. You don't need much. All you need is a spray bottle filled with water, your favorite oil, a soft bristle brush, and some hope and a dreams. I know, but yeah, that's all you need. So the first step to adding moisture back to your dry locks is spraying your hair with water. Water is the #1 ingredient to keeping your locks moisturized. And the best part is you can use any type of water. Purified, distilled, tap, rose, it really doesn't matter. The most important thing is you're adding some type of moisture to your locks every day. Especially if you have color treated locks. Color treated locks tend to be more dry and brittle and frail, so you want to make sure that you are adding moisture to those locks daily to prevent any damage, because we don't have any time for that. So I'm going to keep spraying my hair with this water, trying not to oversaturate it because I don't want it to be drenched. But because I have really thick hair, I need to make sure that I have coated each lock with this good old tap water. I just recently ran out of rose water, so I need to make a new batch, hence why I'm using tap water. But you know, if you want to get a little fancy, you can add essential oils to the tap water, you know, get a little creative. Me personally, I didn't feel like doing all that. Good old-fashioned tap water is good enough for me, but I'm going to continue spraying my hair with this water and massaging it in with my luscious hands. Now the next step is to add the oil. Now applying oil to your locks will help your hair maintain its natural sheen, but oil alone is not a good idea. Oil alone will sit on top of the hair and it won't add the necessary moisture your locks need to be healthy. So the best way to add oil that benefits your hair is hydrating your hair first, then adding the oil. So you can do it the same way as I did by spraying my hair first, then adding the oil. You could also do a mixture of a lightweight water-based leave-in conditioner and oil. You could do a mixture of oil and water. Like, there are many different ways that you can lock in moisture from the inside out, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite oil from Jamaican Mango and Lime. This is their island oil. It smells delicious. Of course, if you do not have this oil on hand, there are other options. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, castor oil. All of these oils are commonly used to moisturize natural hair, and you could probably find some of these ingredients around your kitchen. Now I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and begin brushing my locks. And some of the benefits for brushing your locks are: it reduces lint and buildup. It helps reduces frizz and prevents breakage. Another benefit for brushing your locks is hair growth, because it causes more blood to flow to the scalp, resulting in faster hair growth. Another great benefit is if you are semi-freeform like me and you go long periods of time in between your retwists, brushing your locks actually help detangle roots. Seriously, something as simple as brushing your hair every other day can help reduce the pain and stress of detangling your locks. And you know, my tender-headed folks could really appreciate that. But again, I'm going to continue brushing my hair from the scalp down. To make it a little bit easier, I will collect small sections and begin to brush them in small groups. And I forgot to mention, if you have starter locks or just started your lock journey, do not brush your locks. Please wait until they have matured enough so that they don't unravel easily. But again, you want to make sure that you are brushing your hair with a soft bristle brush. You do not want to brush your hair with the same brush that your mama used to scrape your forehead with, okay? It's going to be thinning locks everywhere. Alright, so you don't want to use that type of brush. But you want to continue brushing until you feel the need to brush no more. But you guys, that is how I care for my color treated locks. As you can see, it is a pretty simple daily routine. All you need is water, oil, and a soft bristle brush and some patience, and boom, that's it. I hope you guys did like this tutorial. If you guys did, remember to give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. Also subscribe if you haven't done so, and click that notification bell so you guys won't miss another upload from me, because we will be attending a wedding this month, so you guys don't want want to miss out on those lock styles for weddings. So turn on those notification bells because you do not want to miss it. You guys know I'm about to sauce my family's hair up. And before I forget, thank you all for wishing my daughter and I a happy birthday. We really do appreciate it. But you know, it ain't over yet. Libra season is still in full effect. That was only the beginning. But yes, until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.